English Persian, do equals.
کردن.
Fun conjugations to speak fast. Welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to have fun and learn fast? Hey you, yes you, grab your coffee and your best smile. Today we make the tiny verb, do, huge in Persian with jokes, beats, and quick wins. By the end, you'll confidently say do, he does, she does, it makes, we do, you, plural, do, they do, and flex them in real talk. Your goal today. You'll map each English form to a crisp Persian line you can say out loud. Quick, clear, and sticky. Do.
کردن.
He does.
او انجام می دهد.
She does.
او انجام می دهد.
Same Persian form for he, she. It makes.
آن می سازد.
We do.
ما می کنیم.
You, plural, do.
شما می کنید.
They do.
آنها انجام می دهند.
Mini dialogue. Just do it. Listen, smile, and shadow the lines. You've got this. A. Can you do it now? B. Sure.
الان بکن.
A. He does it every day. B. Right.
او هر روز انجام می دهد.
A. The machine? It makes boxes fast. B. Yup.
آن می سازد.
A. Team, we do the hard part first. B. Deal.
ما می کنیم.
Forms lightning round. Repeat after me, short, snappy, memorable. Do.
کردن.
He does.
او انجام می دهد.
She does.
او انجام می دهد.
It makes.
آن می سازد.
We do.
ما می کنیم.
You, plural, do.
شما می کنید.
They do.
آنها انجام می دهند.
Rhythm drill. Clap lightly on each dash and speak with the beat. Clap, do.
کردن.
Clap, he does.
او انجام می دهد.
Clap, she does.
او انجام می دهد.
Clap, it makes.
آن می سازد.
Clap, we do.
ما می کنیم.
Clap, you, plural, do.
شما می کنید.
Clap, they do.
آنها انجام می دهند.
Culture tip. Do versus make. Tiny pro tip. Persian often splits do and make into different verbs. To do tasks. Use.
کردن.
Or.
انجام دادن.
More formal. Example. I do my homework.
من تکالیفم را می کنم.
Slash.
من تکالیفم را انجام می دهم.
To make, build stuff. Use.
ساختن.
Example. It makes a sound.
آن می سازد یک صدا.
Quick examples you can steal. Shadow these out loud, short, practical, done. He does his homework.
او تکالیفش را انجام می دهد.
She does what she promises.
او آنچه قول می دهد را انجام می دهد.
It makes a difference.
آن تفاوت می‌سازد.
We do our best.
ما بهترین خود را می‌کنیم.
You, plural, do the planning.
شما برنامه‌ریزی می‌کنید.
They do it on time.
آنها به موقع آن را انجام می‌دهند.
Mini quiz. Answer fast, then I'll reveal it. Ready? Q1. Persian for do, base form. A.
کردن.
Q2. How do you say he does? A.
او انجام می‌دهد.
Q3. Translate you, plural, do. A.
شما می‌کنید.
Bonus. It makes is. A.
آن می‌سازد.
Challenge. Say it in real time. IQ English. You fire Persian within one beat. We do.
ما می‌کنیم.
They do.
آنها انجام می‌دهند.
He does.
او انجام می‌دهد.
She does.
او انجام می‌دهد.
You, plural, do.
شما می‌کنید.
It makes.
آن می‌سازد.
Final boss. Do.
کردن.
Nailed it. Wrap up. Great job, tiny verb, giant progress. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing do, he does, she does, it makes, we do, you, plural, do, they do with.
کردن. انجام دادن.
And.
ساختن.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and freebies. See you next time.